Hello everyone, I just wanted to post something here. I've been trying to give up tobacco cigarettes, so I found something else. It replicates the smoking process. It's an electronic cigarette. I know you probably recognize them as these monstrosities, big, huge, horrible disposables from the liquor store that taste like ass. Yeah. But I went and got myself a professional kit today. It came today, 2-day shipping. I paid a little extra for that. It's a volcano. Came in this lovely box, the whole kit. Very nice. And it's got, well, let's see, it's got a plug-in USB adapter with a plug-in cord. That's a USB cord also, so you can plug in your volcano pack into your USB port or into your plug. It's also got this little nifty charger here, and you just screw your battery into the end of it, and you stick it in either the plug adapter or into your USB port. So they give you like 3 charging options with the whole thing. The next thing is the pack itself. Okay, this is the V pack here. Operates like a cigarette pack, and well, here's a tobacco cigarette pack, Maverick Kings. So for size comparison, right there. This one's a little bit bigger, and this one's a little bit wider. So it's about the size of a pack of King cigarettes. Let me see, on the side of this, I don't know if you can see this. Hold it up here. You got, yeah, okay, you can see that. Right here is the little USB port that you do to charge it. When you do charge it, you can get 5 battery charges off of it. This is your button. You've got a button here. It's actually 2 buttons, even though it's 1 bar. Top button turns on the handy dandy LED on the side. The bottom button here shows you the power meter, and if you hold it for 5 seconds, it will also charge the battery that's attached inside. Now on the inside of this, I'll show you what that is. I'll have to use a light because I got the black pack. You'll see here, you've got these 5 holes here. These are your carts, the cartridges, and that's what one looks like, about that big. Okay, and then you've got a hole large enough for the entire e-cigarette, which I'll pull out in a moment. The hole in front of it is just deep enough for a spare battery, and this hole next to it, right there, you can probably see, if I can angle it right here, you can see the metal down in the bottom there. That's the charge port, so you stick your battery in there and screw it down, and it charges. Now this is the actual thing. You've got your battery. You've got your little wick with the little heater piece. It's a little 3-piece, and that just screws right in here. Okay. And then you've got your cartridge, which is a filled little piece covered in foil with a stopper on it. When you first get it, take the stopper off, and then you just press it on to the wick there, give it a twist, and then that is your volcano. Now for size comparison, you've got the volcano, okay, and a standard king size cigarette. put them together there. There's that. They're about the same size. Volcano, just a tiny bit longer, and definitely a bit heavier. Again, another size comparison: Volcano and your average 500 puff disposable. Quite a difference, right? As far as vapor production, the disposables, really, they don't taste that good. They don't produce a lot of vapor. Probably why I get away smoking with them at my cubicle at work. But they taste like crap, to be honest. I've tried 3 different companies, and they all work horrible. But this is about as much vapor as you get out of a broken and disposable. Okay, that's one. Used like maybe 10-15 puffs, and so it should be producing, and it's just not. Now this is the Volcano with the tobacco cart. A much more realistic smoking experience. And you can get the flavors, any flavor. I got tobacco, I got coconut, I got vanilla bean, although I'm not a big fan of that one, and the pineapple punch. An interesting thing about the tobacco flavor is it tastes way better than any of the disposables. It actually tastes better than a regular cigarette. A friend of mine was just here, and I made him try the tobacco cart with the Volcano a couple times, and he thought it was awesome. It was amazing. So, yeah, I think, well, this is my last tobacco one. This is it right here. Been smoking about a moment, and then it's all Volcano. So yeah, that's my review. I'm loving it. I'm good. I think that this is awesome. So, if you're ever interested in quitting smoking, hey, definite good alternative. You get the same experience, you get the nicotine. The thing with me wasn't just the nicotine, it was the whole smoking experience, putting it, and this replicates it enough without killing me. So maybe I'll see my grandchildren. See y'all later. Bye.